Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel free download. So let's start. This is my PDF. You can see here the purchase data with the 4 pages. I just show you here the full data. So this data I'm going to convert to Excel. So I just open here the Google Chrome and I search here the smallpdf.com and here the small PDF open. Just log in for free trial and click on the convert option. Then click on the PDF to Excel and select here the file, your PDF. Just select here my PDF and wait for the few seconds to uploading, and it's converting to Excel. Done. So now you can freely download here your Excel file. Just click on the download and here you see the purchase data Excel file is downloaded. Just double click on it to open this Excel file. Wait for the few seconds. See, click on the enable editing and you can edit here Excel file. So you can see the full data here convert. So this is a way you can convert the PDF to Excel free download. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.